Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to another delicious cooking video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all a 3-ingredient breakfast recipe. A very simple recipe to follow, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep posted for any future fire content. Alright guys, so the first step that we need to do is obviously get one bagel, cut it in half, just like that, so professional. Now guys, it's just time to add it into the roaster. So add them both in, keep them in for a minute so it's lightly roasted. Well, depends on yourselves. If you want it dark, okay, fine. If not, okay. That's how I like mine roasted. So just like that is perfect for me. Alright guys, now it's time to just layer on some butter on both bagels. All ready now guys, all ready. Now everyone, it's just time to put on the cooker and put on our small egg pan. I'll call it an egg pan. I don't know what it's exactly called, but an egg pan. So I'm gonna put in one teaspoon of butter. I'm just gonna move it around this small baby pan, and then I'm gonna crack in my egg. I was hoping to keep the yolk as a circle, but broke. I think next time I just need to crack it closer into the pan. But yes, add in some salt as well if you guys need to. And then just wait for it until the ends are slightly cooked. And then we can just flip it over. Now it's time for the flipping guys, so let's just flip it over, nice and easy. As you can see, like the other side of the egg has become slightly golden. That's the texture and the color that we want it to become. We don't want it to burn. Hence also the reason why we keep it on a small cooker. I've also taken the heat off. Now that the egg's complete, I'm just gonna put it onto the bagel, and that's more or less it. You just put some sauces on, whatever you want, or you can put some cheese on as well. Forgot to mention that. So put some cheese on. I'm gonna have to sprinkle some mayonnaise. I didn't do it in the best way as possible, but okay, it works for us. And then we also poured on some barbecue yogurt, which I also could have sprayed on in a different way. And then I just put on the top part of the bagel bread. And there you have it. That's your easy 3-ingredient egg bagel recipe. There you have it guys, your 3-ingredient egg bagel recipe. Something that you can make on the weekend, a very simple recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.